What's up, everybody? It's Ben from Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This is the ABS model. Has the 649cc motor. It's got the 6-speed transmission. It's chain drive, and let's take a walk around this thing. We just got this thing in. Do not miss out on the test drive that Sean does of this bike. We'll see some more of the features that it has in this video. On the back tire, it is looking to be in really good shape. Not much to say there. It looks like it was ridden, was taken care of, maybe even like stored inside or something. I would say it's probably like, I don't know, 70%. There's the chain drive transmission we talked about a little bit earlier. There's the rear brake. Let's take a look at it from the side. You can see that rear tire and the rear rotor there, looking good. Has the like the belly exhaust. It's kind of on like where the belly pan would be, or down low. It looks decent for a stock exhaust. Got the side of the tail here. There's just not much to report. No scratches or dents or dings or any of that. Actually looks really nice. I mean, it's 2016. It's a pretty new bike. Yes, you got your passenger peg there. Got your rider peg here. And you got your rear brake there. You see the shock for the rear suspension right there. Everything's looking good on the motor. On the side of the tank, there's one little speck right there at the tip of my finger. Other than that, I don't see much else. It does have the Kawasaki up kind of there on the top side. Here you get your front fairing, got the 650 Ninja 650 badge. The colors are really nice on this bike. The black, it looks like there's a little bit of flake in the black there. Looks really good contrasted against the green. And then the silver down on the bottom. Got the front tire here, or the front wheel I mean. So you can see it does have the dual rotors. See one on the other side there. There is the ABS badge. Always nice to have that. Nice looking front wheel. Turn a little bit. Up here you got the mirrors. Got the bubble screen windshield, the other mirror. There's your headlights, and nice looking, I think. There's your front fender. The fender's in really nice shape. A little bit of road dirt right there. I thought that was maybe a mark or something that I missed, but everything else is looking to be in really good order. There's your front tire, also looking to be in really good shape. I actually think this is a little bit better than the back tire, so maybe like 80%. So yeah, this side of the, you got this side of the wheel. It's looking really good. Yeah, this is the opposite rotor from the side we were looking at before. You see the forks going up in there and under the front fairing. Again, there's that ABS badge, Ninja 650 badge. Thought I saw a mark. No, I did not. Looking in good shape there. Got these really nice grips. I like those grips. Here's the side of your front fairing. You can see everything is nice there. Silver down all the way to the bottom. Everything in the motor is looking to be in good shape. Not leaking anything or dripping or any of that stuff. Get your rider peg, your shifter, passenger peg. It's all pretty self-explanatory stuff, but I want you guys to see all of the things on this bike if you're thinking about getting it or if you're just watching the video. So there's the chain drive transmission. There's the chain guard. You guys see the chain reappear there. That is looking to be in good shape. It does have the seat cowl right on it right now. There is the rider seat. Got the tank protector by One Design. Don't know that. There is your fuel cap. There's your ignition. There is, again, there are those grips I was talking about. Clutch lever, brake lever, kill switch, all that. There is the gauges. There's your mirror. Turn this on so you guys can see what it says on the gauges. There you can see it says 2,527 miles. So not a lot of miles on this bike. This bike does have the gear indicator. It's a nice bonus. The guy who had it before must have added that. Let's just check to make sure the turn signals work real quick. Rear signal that side. Rear signal that side, good to go. Front signal on this side, good to go. And front signal on this side, good to go. So they all work, that is awesome. I just wanna fire this thing up so you guys can see it, hear it run real quick. Shut that off so you guys can hear me talk. Fires right up, sounds great. Just got a good 360 of this bike so you guys can see it all in one go. There you can see what the headlight looks like on low beam. So yeah, like I said, it's a 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 650. Don't miss out on the test drive that Sean does of this bike. It'll be up on YouTube. This bike is not gonna last long. It will be priced to sell. And it'll be a great bike to ride, so pick it up. All right, thanks for watching, guys.